Bullish Mobox cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.21 and $4.80 by 2030. Market examiners accept Mbox could reach $2.21 by 2025. Bearish Mobox market cost expectation for 2022 is 39 cents. Mobox presentation. As digital currencies became standard, their applications have likewise moved past method for installment. One such application is the generally new non-fungible token. NFTs are special computerized resources that only one individual can claim. Yet, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world? And how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this video, we'll go over the rudiments of Mobox and let you know all that you want to be aware of the coin's anticipated cost, so you can choose whether to purchase Mobox. In this way, continue to peruse for the total Mobox value expectation and contributing it. What is Mobox? The Mobox coin isn't exactly a conventional coin on the crypto market essentially, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. Thusly, the assessed cost expectation contrasted with the cost forecast for other normal digital currency. The undertaking that Mobox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mobox convention. The Mobox convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that produces coins for the Mobox, a web-based gaming metaverse. What is a utility token? A utility token, at times known as an application coin or a client token, is an exceptional sort of crypto token that permits token holders to utilize items and administration. In that capacity, the Mobox token is the token inside the Mobox convention, permitting clients to get to administrations inside the Mobox metaverse. Utility tokens have different expected expectations and projections contrasted with average digital forms of money. The justification behind these distinctions is that utility tokens are frequently unregulated. They structure a miniature economy inside various blockchains and hence have an alternate cost expectation, market cap, and future cost estimate. What is a yield-cultivating undertaking? Yield cultivating is a method for benefiting by loaning cryptographic money and benefiting through revenue. Despite the fact that yield cultivating isn't really a wise interest temporarily, it might get a decent return several years' time given that the money has a consistent cost increment. Yield cultivating projects are otherwise called DeFi, or decentralized finance projects. That is on the grounds that clients loan or get coins on a decentralized exchanging stage. Whether a yield-cultivating project is a productive speculation relies generally upon the sort of digital currency being exchanged as well as the cost figure. Mobox major examination. At first sent off in April 2021. Mobox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. At the end of the day, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mobox site. Mobox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. Be that as it may, dissimilar to most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain, Mobox is based on the Binance Savvy chain. The typical estimate cost, greatest cost figure, and Mobox cost increment are in this manner generally connected to the Binance blockchain. This additionally pursues Mobox a harmless to the ecosystem digital money decision, making it carbon unbiased. Mobox current cost. Mobox is at present worth 49 cents USD. Mbox has moved 6.09% as of now with an exchanging volume of $28,445,615. Mobox is as of now positioned 197 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $80,594,837 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Mobox to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Mobox value expectation 2022. Mobox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Mbox cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 73 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 68 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of 58 cents. Mobox value expectation 2023. In 2023, Mobox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.23. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Mbox's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 98 cents and a typical exchanging cost of $1.08. Mobox Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.72 and Mbox might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.57 and a low of $1.47 in 2024. Mobox Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Mobox effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the Mbox coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mbox will be green in 2025. The Mbox is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.21, with a base cost of $1.96 and a typical cost of $2.06. Mobox Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Mbox cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.55 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.45 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Mbox has a greatest value worth of $2.70. Mobox Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.04. On the off chance that Mbox figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $3.19. Neglecting to accumulate the help Mbox needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.94. Mobox Value Expectation 2028. While Mbox is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.43 and a yearly cost close above $3.68 in 2028. Mobox Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Mobox will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.92 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $4.17, averaging out at $4.02. Mobox Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Mbox cost in 2030 is projected to be $4.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $4.61. And NFTs are as yet a moderately new innovation, hence it is challenging to know their general effect on the crypto market and as long-haul monetary speculations. Notwithstanding this vulnerability, exchanging Mobox is as of now a respectable market venture. Until further